I am here in Colorado Springs again for the 5th time this month. Today I decided to come to, what is this place called? Some park. Seven Falls. It's already been quite a journey to get here and I still have to go a mile. So it's complimentary parking and then you take a shuttle to the entrance of the park and then you pay $14.50 if you're an adult to get in the park. And then you can either take a tram up to the waterfall or walk a mile. I tried to get on the shuttle and the guy was like, oh, I'm picking everyone up on the other side. And I was like, okay. And he's like, so on the other side. Really? You're gonna make me get off and walk across the street? And then I had to wait in line for like 15 minutes behind people trying to buy season passes who had to fill out paperwork. It's been about 30 minutes and I'm finally walking to the top. It's a nice day though, so whatever. I don't really know how long of a vlog this is gonna be because my phone's at like 40%. I guess we'll see how much footage I can get in before my phone dies and then see if I'm able to be picked up by my hotel van without getting stranded. So far, this is much easier than the Manitowoc Incline. I mean, I'm walking on a paved street, which makes me think cars are coming. So I keep looking over my shoulder, but I don't think that any cars drive on this road except golf carts. But I'm still paranoid. And there's no path. I'm kind of confused. It kind of makes me think that the whole thing's catered toward like older people, especially since this park is in conjunction with like a super ritzy hotel for rich people, not me. Oh good, more stairs. That's exactly what I want. Great, at least there's only 185 instead of 2,000 this time. Okay, I'm halfway up there. I don't believe that's only 185 steps. My heart's beating so fast. Okay, I made it to the top of the Seven Falls. Supposedly there's some trails back here and they gave me this map. Looks like a Blue's Clues map, but we're gonna follow it. Somehow, by the grace of God, my blender bottle did not detach itself and fall down the mountain today. There's a trail up here that splits into two trails and one of them does like a roundabout and it's quick, and then the other one is longer and it has like a lookout point or whatever. And I want to do the lookout point, but I have to be back down to where the shuttle is in an hour. So I don't know if I have time to even do the short trail, but I'm going to try. Okay guys, I am going for the more difficult hike. It says round trip 40 minutes, so I'm going to be pushing it, but we'll see. I just ran into my ziplining instructor from last summer. It's weird because we were ziplining somewhere else, not here. So, small world. He didn't recognize me at all. So jealous of these people ziplining. I want to go ziplining, but I don't want to pay for it. Looks like so much fun. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos of me out of breath.